wanted to talk to you today about why it's so important to get corrosion from the battery cleaned up properly. Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. First of all, I'd like to show you this. This is a coolant housing, and if you look carefully, you can see there's some holes in it. So what happened to this coolant housing is acid had gotten on it, it eroded away the housing, then we sprung a coolant leak, and then the car overheated, and then it blew a head gasket, and now we're talking multi-thousands of dollars to fix the car. So I've talked before about making sure you get your cables cleaned so your car starts, but when you clean the corrosion off the battery, tons and tons and tons of water, wash everything. We don't want that corrosion to set somewhere else other than the battery, because it can do this kind of thing to plastic housings. It can also damage wiring harnesses and things like that. So if you're doing it yourself, tons and tons and tons of water. Get it clean. Don't just do a quick clean on the cables and fix those. I hope this has been informational to you. And until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.